Hey skin lovers, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to make carrot oil within 3 minutes. Yes, you heard right, without even using anything fancy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite storyteller LB. So today we're going to do something very interesting. I'm going to teach you guys how I make my carrot oil. Yes, you're gonna make use of carrot oil, and you can see how glowing my skin is. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make carrot oil in less than 3 minutes. I'm sure you want to learn how to make carrot oil in less than 3 minutes. A carrot oil that will still be effective at the same time nourishing. So guys, let's make our carrot oil. I started off by peeling the carrots with the hand peeler. I washed it and allowed it to dry a little. The next step is to grate the carrots. I would be making use of the tiny side. Let me tell you the benefits of carrot oil and why you should head to your kitchen and make one for yourself. Do you know carrot oil is rich in vitamin A and beta carotene? It helps you give you a skin natural radiance. It is a powerful antioxidant for aging skin because it's very rich in beta carotene. It can be used as facial oil to help improve the appearance of your skin and its radiance. It's anti-inflammatory property for calming skin, cell regeneration for radiance, an antibacterial property to help acne, moisturize dry skin and hair, or can help you naturally lighten the skin. Carrot oil clears hyperpigmentation. I can go on and on to tell you the benefits of carrot oil, but trust me, just head to your kitchen and make one for yourself, because when it comes to skincare, carrot oil is one of the oil that you need to have in your skincare shelf, which is very economical. Imagine learning how to make this in less than 3 minutes. Now I'm done peeling my carrots. Gosh, guys, you can see how tiny it is. This is it. I'm going to add it to my pot. This is my pot. Like I told you, you don't need anything so fancy. I'm going to make use of my pots. So here I've poured my carrots, my grated carrots into my pot. I'm going to add olive oil. Remember, you can make use of olive oil, you can make use of almond oil or coconut oil. Any of the three is fine. So pour it. I want to tell you guys a secret. The amount of oil you use in making your carrot oil is the same amount of oil that you're going to get. So now we are done pouring the oil. I'm going to put it in the gas. I'm going to make use of the smallest gas you have. You have to be conscious if you're using stove, if you're using gas, or you're using electric. Just make sure it is very low. We don't need it to burn at all. So guys, here I'm going to leave mine for just 75 seconds because my gas is heating so well. So this is okay. We don't need it to get burnt or anything. I'm going to allow it to cool. Then I will save it off with a cloth. After saving it, get a bottle, sterilize and put it in an airtight container. And here we have your carrot oil.